Introducing the latest addition to the Sage Precision range, the Kitchen Wizz Peel and Dice. With all the features you already love and new peeling and dicing discs, this machine will do all the hard work for you in less time. With a chute designed for every shape, different dice sizes and the ability to peel 7 potatoes in 15 seconds, you now have even more options to create masterpiece meals in minutes. Let's see it in action. The new dicing kits come in 3 different sizes: the 8mm for salsas, chutney and pie fillings, and the 12 and 16mm for vegetables and fruit salads. These different sizes are perfect for creating a range of different dishes. To create a fresh summer fruit salad, we'll start with the 16mm disc. The dicing attachment works by slicing and then dicing your foods. This 2-step process ensures even and precise cubes. Precisely dicing each piece of fruit into exact pieces results in an even balance of flavour from all the different fruits in your dish. Once done, add some berries, a squeeze of lime and some fresh mint to garnish. As you can see, creating up to 2.5 litres of diced fruit in under a minute will not only save you time, but give you perfectly consistent shapes, resulting in a tastier final dish. Next up, we're going to make a potato gratin. This machine takes on what would normally be a chore by doing all the peeling and slicing for you. Insert the peeling disc, place unpeeled potatoes onto the disc so that the bowl is filled. Set the timer to 15 seconds and watch as it peels 7 potatoes in record time. Once peeled, swap out the peeling disc for the adjustable slicer. The adjustable slicer has 24 settings between 0.3 and 8mm. For this dish, turn to 2mm. Let's see the processor slice our potatoes. Now we want to shred the cheese for the top. Attach the reversible shredding blade, place the cheese through the chute, and use the pusher to grate. After we've arranged the potatoes into layers and poured over the sauce, we're going to sprinkle the cheese and bake until crispy and golden. After that has finished baking, we're left with an absolutely delicious potato gratin for the whole family to enjoy. The Sage Kitchen Wizz Peel and Dice is the ultimate addition to your kitchen. From quesadillas and gourmet pizzas to fresh salads, the range of meals and dishes you can create is endless. With an extra wide chute and an extensive range of 10 attachments, it takes all the hassle out of your meal preparation. Save time and cook with precision. If you want to try any of these recipes at home, just click the link below and head to our website for more delicious dishes.